You ever been someplace that felt like a secret? Down a stair where whispers flow, candles flicker soft and low. She clings to my arm, unsure of the scene in her eyes, the thrill, the sheen. The waiter nods, no names exchanged. Everything here feels perfectly strange. Velvet curtains, gold on the floor. Welcome, my dear, to the velvet door. There's a rhythm that rolls through the air, like money and charm in a love affair. The band's on fire, the sax won't sleep, and the night, my darling, is ours to keep. At the velvet door where the whispers pour, every secret's worth a little more. Raise your glass, let the jazz implore. You'll never feel the same no more. She laughs, says, I've never seen this before. And I smile, baby, that's what the money's for. Backroom dining, shadows gleam, caviar and midnight dreams. Cards and cigars, the night unfolds. Silver tongues and tales retold. She spins in the light of the chandelier. The bass walks slow, the truth feels near. This place is ours, just past the floor. The world melts down at the velvet door. The smoke curls round her painted lips. I taste champagne on her fingertips. Some call it luck, some call it sin, but I just call it where it begins. At the velvet door, love keeps score. Every eye's been here before. From the hush of the crowd to the soft encore, we dance until there's nothing more. And as the lights fade, she whispers encore. I wink and say, baby, that's what the night's for.